journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey. Take this life, make you know the rush, make you know the.
Abena no we are see edane no ho ana wo so wadane wo ho bi enu nti a ye wo nsenthrofo a wo to mo ho asi wo so mo de ekwa eba no mo de bebre wo yaboboa no na ba bibia owo bia watimi ehu bi na wo so wo ho de wi ase na eko ena me guest no e nsentroni na me ne ba betwetwenko me de me ka so mo ya konkonsafo ena me ne ba betwetwenko mo ye friend no Letitia Karamin Ipala edine mu odru na ne de me friend na Dagaatigirl na so ansana no mama na me ho enkoji aboafo nkrato ye ba enen komo no ye di be hyehyɛ so de eden enko bebia Yakoji enkrato oba o hwe de Jenny ewo Adum TV enne de ye say ebeye kama wa hapa na so afi na watena se a na me da wasesa bibia wotena se na wo hwe me aseda kese enkoma Adum TV so mo the platform ya maye na bibia yetimi edi nkomo twetwe no eba na ye nyina ye hwe mama na maboafo ase a time herbal mixture give us clean care medima for herbal center and na afi ye dua herbal mixture with Knama entertainment and na ye kaboma ye di dwumadie bro intimate snasi na ye betwetwe nkomo mami akwaba elia bia boko
Bacha
o ho aye fe papa what do you sika chese you say blogging ne de so baby blog passing Dagaatigirl na pashiaba
Scan me nyen di wie me before some me beje mo akese this your brand dey koso no na scan mu wie do
why are you I didn't inspire you because I had to say a men dominated side and oba wakoshim I didn't inspire you to do that.
Okay, I think it's a number we are going to 2018 it's tamana me wo ho no no who say bibia ni jebia no nti e fa your phone a ne e ko social media no so na me share me mpanyufo other bloggers mpanyufo no de wo mo ye eco programs na me fe na me sese me bagana me de mumba be den me de mumba be jimu bi na me ankasa so no na me pe journalism ni asefo enti no me imagine say me bagana me de mumba be jimu enti me bagana 2019 no na me de mumba jimu
so just 2019 ya na was starting
2019 ya na me share 2019 officially no crampon be no 2020 na a year professional
and if na now before over
na me was Saudi Arabia
ehone etesen yetete say yenuano mo bi omo ye twa omo ti omo ye mo treat omo you see a serious pa
na easy I think say me fi Ghana 2015 me we secondary school 2013 and me fi Ghana 2015 and
I do
na a family friend be
okay
and now no te hoda
okay
and o ka che me say we nya nkofo bi ne boss bi pe obi ni na yeden
atsina
aye ejuma and me ka say okay and the maiden me ko because me we school na me sheda nya hwe as at that time and me ka say me ko and me ko na me koduye honestly enye easy the obi fi hono mo be kan e bia no enye easy
wow
but nyame adom me nkofo na me nya omo na me ni omo ye adwuma no say ye obi han ni ade de be adwuma ne de obeye trust me you are there for the work oma mo treat me but adwuma ne de you will do it
yeah
there was a way you have to do it
yeah
and na David adwuma no obeye chese wa ko obi ma so unti omo kasa ye fro krampo na edin bi kra de be fro no unza Arab kasa na wose me yire me ho na mi tikasa ni because unti obi ma so unim di omo ka ebi ko bebe di uboni bia omo abrofo omo nti nti na wose wo yire ho na wo sunya kasa nti me tena for 2 years 6 months and I'm ba Ghana 2018
okay
nti me jeni no
ye bebe mo ho wo ba Ghana is starting being a blogger no ye hu se wo bo homode na fe ye hu se wasen be a restaurant
that's right
and your dear now modern bo how do you do it and now no ye nim se Ghana business be any there I say unya usika na hu de ade be ya na dia be business wo de wanya maami bi ote wo hwe ama wana wanya nua bi because in restaurant ejuma it's not easy o twe wo ho ana story no asesa it's weird then combine being a blog you co events na dey with your work
okay restaurants no Eh, me name Sister Penny dear. Me Sister Midinechi. Your friend Ipala.
Okay.
Or no.
Also Ipala name was say name.
Say name, but no dear. Obi she na your more friend Ipala into no.
Ipala no. Okay.
It's me name Sister Penny. And I can't. Ye mumbo mu ye den in ye be a restaurant nti na me ana na me share restaurant to me ye aduane no ye bibia wo nti ma me blogging no
ebe ye we kakra
so what me na wo kan say me twe me wo kakra
so nim say me ye bi
o mini pa
for 2 years na it was solid. And then we go event we say we twe wo kakra na fa na ma wo da aduane 5 hours a mile 4 hours a mile ahometie na me jaye because e serious
o twe wo kakra na wo jam obi e say aduane taste asesa nti na e wo say ambibia na me ye den me ma mani kon nti ma me be ye reserve kakra wo blogging no na me pese so what me pese me ma mani ko restaurant no kakra nti dia wo ho no me ni sister restaurant e me ni sister Penny dia.
Okay, nti say now no unni ho a o sister take
yeah me ni wa me sister to me take you over.
Okay, that's great. Yanko back to Ojeni no ehin na wo free ehin na ye wo Ojeni no o start in the same abrabo no e call same ma.
Okay, so na ngofo bebre nim say friend me Dagaatigirl ba me din pa ye Letitia Karamin Yipala. Accra ha say na ye wu ye nyina minimi nyina mu nyina mi fi Upper West. There is a small village called Uldantie. Ho na papa fi na me mama fi Tampe. But honestly me ankasa me nko hoda but kasa no metepa me papa ne me mama bom ho bom de say empo no si ye wo ye wa hampo na kasa no ye be den ye ombe kire ti kasa ne de me papa ne me mama amfa ndi me wiambo mete and I'm always proud to call myself a Dagaatigirl. Me share me krum ni a me mfa tete bebe ho no omu share mu krum for they don't want people to know say omu ye nodness and say bibisa.
How?
But trust me ebi wo omu ferry. I don't know why ebi ferry omu person be kasa no. But me baby me could be and I'm just me say me Dagaatigirl.
Yeah.
Uni
be so na aboa.
So what you say?
Yeah.
Edini so me fire no aboa me pa.
Enti ehwa na wo fi so how was life growing up no? What can someone say akranti ho kwa de won ko hoda.
Me nko hoda.
Na de na won ko hwe wechi up till now.
Me ko me nuanim nyina ko am sa ka me pe. Me ko.
Wona wa be wa be ye yi na odo ho be ko mo say. Omo de share umum na wa ka ha usuro. Usuro. Oh,
nya de sa me ko. Me ko.
So being in Accra no mu unyi no na journey to say if fear to say apabomo to say
okay.
Men
kase mi free busia. So what you say average.
Okay.
Me dey no make sure say you okay. Me papa so born home modern. It's you know. Na enye easy sir. Yes, me go school do senior high. Eho na me go school there but me pese me den. Me twa so enche. Me pese me twa so.
Okay. So how is the future like? You've been a blogger, oh mema muno. Aya na moduma no so yesi eden pa. Sometimes and Nigeria titie ba aduma ba yesi free way ni ade. We then survive it in the midst of men.
Okay. Em say me sha ase fofo no de na emu odin. Na ye frame mo event kra na me ko. Ti se me hu se Zion Felix GH Kweku omo post flyer bi.
Na wa woko.
Me akasa me di misika be fa car na mako. Na me try event na ma target microphone and all these people were taking note of the work I was doing even though they didn't invite me. But I'm always there to hype them, post them and make sure say
their work is being done. So
what I say, it's through that people got to know me through live event updates. And I'm a man for me page and na eyo mo de. Na mako ubeko na yebe wie na ma empenyifo no envelope ye ma me bi metimi akọ empenyifo no bi no me bisa say na envelope me di anka wo se ya mfa wodi anya den anka wo na ma ye di na ma san bo me trotro na me ko asat 2 am oba be na me be fie. Iti na mema no kro mo se aw kra wo ye won na we nu susu se ya mema na kwa na me ko betimi akokra na apamo yes ni apamo ni aka say where is your invitation me ni bi na e friend say security men no mo ye wa yaka de ni e pamo ni ade but I didn't give up me ko na maba enwumbre anajo na mako na maba so through that nkofo be hu ye na inti na nkofo die me personally So wedding event be say a year bibia launch near the idea near frame na my bedding na my betcha into boys no me senior colleagues no so mu adwuma be hu say me bomb me hu bomb den into a year bi mutimi recommend me ma nkofo say oh asemesi wo ho Dagaatigirl into ye den fani shame no mo so my den o ma recommend me kakra na me ankasa no mitimi de build me brand no ma ne call sure and then me ankasa mitimi kwaje gig kra na mama me mpanyifo ni bi say so mon jibis
na just say nyame aye bi oba mo no obi wo ha odi wani won say djuma bi a oba ma ye won confirm what mo say afna we yan stop na oba ha adwin obi tete wo sa
oh I think the number is no crap person me your oba na me dio me chisa they were rather protecting me.
Oh nice.
So what I say there are mitimi ko events na GH kweku hu me Dagaatigirl yin twa picture na me post na nkofo nye den in follow.
Wow.
I am Felix no wa frame me Dagaatigirl yin twa picture na me GH kweku no wa post on the oseme ye deba into timi into I know dear me nkasa me ba no obi edi meni David ye omo dije me so asoba and true me I think say me hu say female bloggers no
me baso say me hu say ma
bebre
so abem it's what inspire a lot with what you do.
Oh yes.
Na also bua omo obi bua wo no also bua.
Oh yes obi yes me nya giga me settle omo me nya giga me di omudin kan na me di omanko. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Female
Good.
Oh yes I think say female bloggers na me nyomo yeku no obi antimi nka say Dagaatigirl ma me gigida. Yes, if they are watching me when him say you know how we do it. You know how we do it, my girls. Minya. Oh yes.
And you mentioned say open say unko school. Have you thought of something and a school be an answer be a see when this one person won yenti or person won see
yes. I've thought of to say a crap holding an anka me say me hospitality because of the field in which I found myself. Hospitality, it comes with this blogging, it can eduane no one na sefoni nyina ye den e kan enunti na anka me say me come back to school.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, ti enunti a person onko back to school.
Yes.
Now onko study field na omo. How do you see the industry? Especially mo blogging side no you who say bebre aye mo dwuman omo sisi dan omo dey tutu omo toto cars asa mo dwuma na mo de the field no can be from mo dwuma no ho kire it say
edwuma no de I think say obi wa bontin obi fe say e easy sir but trust me enye easy obi a won enjoy sisi an trust me wa ye edwuma no wa pre so whoever that is enjoying now, everyone deserve it.
My dues.
So what my dues, my ye jumano. It's a jumani dear, my ye jumanoti. Obi or enjoy the Biano, or deserve it.
What are some of the things say to see a buying castle person on your baby and some jumanum na on boa and never been a woe when this was I deal with was a government here mine and I deal with there was same penny for a sum of mine.
Oh say a bano ye side of blogging ye sabe nkofo free say stomach bloggers but enye sa ye di industry no makotene pa e ba ne say yen fa good news into her we have some bloggers are here ye say man me stop na so washa me page no
negativity no
they be we sometimes you have the solid gist when him say dey we e no cray but me fan beto won be say nipa no obi timi fro na waka say be say me tua wo kana wo say asimesi no. That is not what I do.
It is hard in a war.
Oh yes. Yes.
But you say yakika.
E wo
ho so between between kase
diobiatem. Ye ni say mame. Inti no yeso so no ye de ye
say oh can so bloggers na ye no magiska.
Oh the mean kan sisu say obia ye den. Obia giska.
E wo ho. Inti wo anje obi beje.
Debi. Obia anje. Minji ndi say obi giska no.
Nti omo no mbedi atem no because there are some bloggers most people are doing good and others are doing negative.
Do you know we have bloggers say ye nim. To say me say na me yi me nim. We have the ghost bloggers. There are bloggers you don't know. almost shed them no mudi nkwasem
okay.
Into omo no betimi agisika no nim nipa kro me say ya nim anim no
I bet my trust squad am
so what you say me nye den me nye into no me ka actually say oh David we are very solid yeah David we don't do that into sa aban no betu nani abehwe ya omma nani enkoye ho yeso sesi ano ye ka professional journalist for no
na daga to say I obepe say aban no ebe show mo na bibia aye kama yenda ye ho ekwaje krato ye ba ye beto aso yakwaje enkrato aba oguswa ehwede Jenny ewo Adom TV ene me guest no Dagaatigirl na ye twetwe enkomo bi kwa beka say Dagaatigirl ye hwan I or your blogger iti ene what na sia e bi what ti Dagaatigirl na de ye no e fa ne bra contour no atwetwe enkomo. How do you make money from Instagram? Is it ad?
through advertisement
And then people
yes. calling me for events like you do.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And so far, who Jenny is saying? What's your baby Awufi and where you are heading towards her? How do you see your journey?
God has been good. Even as it stands now, my family will be no friend me with will be a friend with Dagaatigirl, and my family are proud of the lady I have become. Me cousins, me uncles, so much me. Hey Dagaatigirl, we see you like co-programs there. Honestly, they are proud of me. They are proud of me, and I think I have to put in more work to get to where I want to be. Honestly, I'm proud of myself. Yes. Me bonnet me shame no catch me say. Me mommy the Dagaatigirl, she. Catch her now. Yes, I have a daughter.
How old?
About 16 years.
What's it?
16 years. I was secondary school.
Why are dear? Oh, say your election year mo. Your election year mo I say. And yama I started kwa baby o han talk some any basa. Enti, what will you say to Ghana for? You do juma commentary inquiry. Asembe na obe catch Ghanaians are teach you because we are blogger. Where are you day?
Ghana flag.
Standing for day.
Peace.
Good. Enti some. Then na obe catch Ghana for you na share because enchebia ye baby ra election month no December. It's a day na obe catch Ghana for.
On the 7th of December, people show some person will to aba. Pie, neko team soma o favorite person. The person will to aba man obedi president. Pie neko to man on ne brave fie boko ne beda. And you no say you declare the obey president not a court in favor of you. Jubilate in your room. Don't go and fight for any politician. Politicians, they are not our friends. Trust me, they are not our friends. And then Obabe Yusu, Oba Power crowd anymore.
Yeah.
So please, don't go and fight for anyone. One love.
One
Ghana.
Love. Ghana. Yada sipa. Ansa na obekon obi wo ho a oye batan ofi ne basi opese onye blogger na se bibi. Asembe na obeka che ye maame no.
Opese ye dwumai ubemu a. Please, when you come, don't start
trend.
So what you say? Create your own content, decent content. Anything, and the obiatem. Intino, social media na sword there when you use it wisely. Sika also, there is money on the internet. Please use your social media wisely. Don't buy bundle 3 CDs and come online to insult people.
Using wisely because sika was social media pa. Ansa na ye bekono yi ba kuma me. What say oh, Bronya to Chadi, today you back, mammy. What baby? What will be mu? The Jenny for say, maybe so say, can you sacrifice yourself for the one you love? Can you sacrifice yourself?
Why not? I can, depending on the kind of treatment the person gives me. Why not? I can.
The guy that's so bad, what's it? General football.
Okay.
Can we betray na uncle?
The America trade youth ni na say you mu say omani mu ayeden. Na so no. E wo say o ma kasa sorry na o force na o ye bibi ma on. Social media yi betimi via account. Na wa share kakra. You can contact any of the bloggers to help you on how to start it, and will assist you do that. Don't just sit down idle doing nothing and think it's Abena or the Juma Babe Shonsa. Please start something, and by the grace of God, you'll be successful. Thank you.
Thank you too. So by the grace of God, two and a morning quadia, Yame Ebe show. Yeah, that's so by your way. And the journey their signature, no buy your mouth flower, a chance of your door.
Thank you.
And beautiful pictures to the baby. One day, cry, see, but frame no qua. Now they are true. You see a door, and I feel the hampers to your sponsor say, and fa hampers no amount. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you too.
Sure. Na koswa ye dwumade na momfa nsempa ento ho na wiase so mu se Ghana niam pa e wa ha sei. Aha e na brebe ma ye di dwumade yi asi. Me di e di Abena Ghana na me kayo se mesrel. En afimu na wotwe mu busumi mu. Afini babe kwa wiye enu titiri enye easy afi so sanya election year eti misro say ya na wo hwo ho yi aman wai na wo ho hia ma busua na wo ho hia ma Ghana wo ho hia e ma obibia etu koto wa ba wi misro brafie boko na ba beda na dia ye bebobo bi ebesi bia ye fa asumdue ene odo entina aseda enkoma obibia wo hwe me meda wase sa bibia wo gibre ehwe afi so meda Adom TV for ase so mama yakonya na wo chi bia ye de dwumade ebro na bibia ekoso kama meda mampo afo ase wo wotena fie hwe so nyame enshraw afi Fukuzi Lodge a ewo East Legon Trosako eho na ya yehia na ye de dwumade ekoso enti se wo Accra na pese wo nye event bi they have a big place ubetimi edi aye dia opese wo ye bia afi so pe bia obeda adwodwo ho ama bibia aye kamadia eya na waba Fukuzi Lodge ewo East Legon Trosako na bibia enye kama aha ena brebe ma mede dwumade esi medin edi Abena Ghana abunofo agodie brekum de hye makraw asemba akona de bia meka chow misi nyame wo ma ebe bye.
The journey